How you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the 3D material drop tool. Come on. The 3D material drop tool is located over here. You right click for a little menu and you come down here, 3D material drop tool. Shortcut is G. Click on that. Let's bring the canvas on our, let's bring the artboard on our face like that. Great. Now, before we even start working with this tool, let's put a 3D workspace just like that. Now, if you want to know about workspaces, I have a video where I talk about workspaces, how to create them, and I have another one where I just explain them like entirely, right? So click on that pop-up video on top. See that pop-up right there? Right there. Click on that pop-up and go watch that video right now. Great. So let's continue, right? Now let's create a layer. Like let's create something. Maybe let's draw a springbok. We call that springbok in my country. And then let's make another layer. And then now let's create, what do we have here? Camel, right? We have a camel. Create a camel like that, right? Great. Go back to the 3D material drop tool, right? And now let's make this 3D. Okay, let's extrude it like that. Great. Let's make the other layer same. Great. Now let's just, just make it interesting and do a little emboss, just to make sure that you see that we are dealing with a 3D object right here, right? Yes, just to make sure. Now it's a little embossed. You can even see that shadow on the ground like that, right? If I do this, yes. Yes, just like that. Now, the 3D drop, sometimes these words, the 3D material drop tool, right? It's like a bucket paint, right? Bucket paint, but then it drops, or rather it deals with material, 3D material, right? Than just paint, okay? So for example, if I come up here, okay, you can either click here or click on this little drop down icon right here. You can pick any material you want, okay? Let's see, let's pick this one right here, right? Now I have this material loaded on my tool, right? So I can pick any of this, maybe let me pick this one, and I'm gonna click and I'm gonna drop it in that element right there. You see that? Pretty straightforward, right? Yes. Now, I don't know, let me zoom in. I don't know if you can see what's going on, but let me just like so, right? How about here? I can click here and drop the same material, but then I don't want to. I wanna put another one. Again, come up here and pick another one. Pick a different one. Let's pick this one, right? Come down on this layer like that. And then click and drop it on that one, just like so. All right? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You just drop materials instead of dropping paint. It's just vice versa, In the flat design, you drop paint. In the 3D design, you drop 3D material, all right? Pretty good, pretty straightforward. And if you want to go deep with this tool, well, there's a video that I created where I explain all of this, the functions of this and how to use all of this information and toggles and slides and all that and what they mean and blah, 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 blah. Right, so go find that video, scroll down in my channel, or just subscribe so you can get that video eventually, right? Great. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a 3D material drop tool. Now, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. I will see you in a scroll. Stay tuned.